Hello, I'm Tu. Welcome to my video. So before we start, I want you to think about a question. What will you choose to supply energy to your body? A chicken or a plate of pasta? Just take it easy because there's no right or wrong here. Whatever you choose, let me show you some curious math. According to Mr. Bruce Frederick, each chicken consumed is equivalent to tossing 8 plates of pasta in the trash, which means 800% of what is grown is thrown away. Surprisingly, chicken, the most efficient meat, already requires 9 calories of input to produce just 1 calorie of food. The ratio of pork and beef is 15:1 and 25:1. That's a huge gap. In short, when it comes to humans getting energy from the sun, animals are less efficient middlemen than plants. This doesn't mean eating meat is wrong, but something has to be done to deal with the growing demand for meat and various environmental problems that meat production causes. One solution to this is plant-based protein and cultivated meat. Plant-based protein may make you think of boring stuff like tofu, beans, or peanuts, but in fact, there has been meats made of plants that gives you the same experience as eating real meat. A plant-based protein can reduce measures of inflammation by almost 30% in just 3 weeks. Cultivated meat can be understood as meat grown in cell culture rather than in animals' body. This method requires less land and less water than the traditional way. So why these alternatives are not so popular while their benefits are undeniable? Well, when setting aside some objective factors like taste, price, or availability, the name is a big problem. Phrases like fake meat or lab-grown meat don't sound really human-friendly and edible. As humans, our brains are easily tricked by the glamorous appearance rather than the basis. Phrases like lab-grown meat or cultivated meat may make many misunderstanding thoughts. All processed food starts in a lab, but once commercialized, it will be cultured in factories, not in labs anymore. Another example is chili sauce. Contrary to the name, chili sauce contains a lot of tomato sauce. So you may wonder how this relates to our topic. Well, let me remind you that throughout history, prejudices, biases have been considered one of the biggest obstacles that have restrained humans' potential. Nowadays, one-sided thoughts can be considered a form of prejudice that lowers the speed of innovation. My video may not help you choose between chicken or pasta, but next time when you perceive phrases like lab-grown meat with a less disparaging attitude, you are unconsciously supporting someone else in this world to continue on new ideas, come up with new inventions that can make the world better. So via this video, I want to introduce to you some misunderstanding facts about animal agriculture and relate them to how our perceptions can change the world. The journey of seeking one's potential is not easy, but when you free your mind from old-fashioned thoughts, you are giving yourself a chance to unlock your potential. So here's the end of my video. Thank you for watching.